Hello, I'm John Russell. Today, we are going to continue exploring some of the most difficult vowel sounds for non-native speakers of English. Let's review the eh and ah sounds, which we have explored in previous videos. If you haven't seen those yet, you might want to watch them first. Remember that the jaw is more open for the ah sound. Your tongue should be on the floor of your mouth. For the eh sound, the jaw is slightly down. Let's practice. For this exercise, you will need a mobile phone, computer, or some other way to record your voice. I want you to pause the video when you see the text, and then record yourself reading the text. Then compare your recording to my voice. Pay special attention to the eh and ah sounds. Fred, my best friend, is a technology expert. Fred, my best friend, is a technology expert. I have a bad headache. It has lasted for several days. I have a bad headache. It has lasted for several days. I'm planning to visit some family and friends in January. I'm planning to visit some family and friends in January. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.